Get out of there, come on. He thinks he owns it. Oh, look what I found. Yeah, just what we needed. I know who did this. It had to be white people. That's it. Can't be nobody else. Or can it? Who the hell knows? Yep, I said that. Oh boy, I better watch out here. Look at this. What happened here? We had rain last night. Past couple of days. And it did something. Washed it all out. There used to be an island. Not anymore. Purple plants. Gosh, how different. I don't know which way to go anymore. Copper does. Yeah, kick it. Be careful. This is where the quicksand forms. Oh. Sure is. And it could happen. Oh boy. In any spot, really. See, like over there. I think I'm safe. Softly muddy. Let's see what's out here. Oh man. Let's see, can I make it? Okay. It's not very hard, I'm just talking like it is. How pretty. Green. Big thickets of purple sage. I want to go up there and see what we can see. It's awfully muddy. Oh, I gotta go this way. Oh, look. There's plastic. I know who did that. I think I did. Okay, look over here, how pretty. See, that's what it does when it rains. I'm really on a whole other mission today. I kind of find this stuff interesting. How it does this. It doesn't look like this from far away, but when you get up close, oh, it's quite different. Look at that pretty rock. I have to have it. This is very pretty. See, it's kind of clear. Yeah, look, like amber. Gosh, that's beautiful. I like it. In my pocket. Okay, time to take a break from this camera because I want to save the battery.